If you're seeing the easy anti-cheat not installed error on Steam games, don't worry. In most cases, this is not a full game problem. It usually happens when the easy anti-cheat background service fails to register correctly with Windows during the original installation. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back into your game without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump in. The best fix is to manually reinstall the easy anti-cheat service from inside the game files. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is showing the error, then right-click it and choose Manage, then browse local files. This will open the game's installation folder on your PC. Now look for a folder called Easy Anti-Cheat. In some games, it may be inside a folder like Binaries, then Win64. Once you find it, open that folder and look for a setup file named easyanticheat_setup.exe or sometimes easyanticheat_eos_setup.exe. When you find it, right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the installer needs permission to make system-level changes. When the setup window opens, you should see a drop-down menu with the game name already listed. Select the correct game if needed, then click Repair Service. If the option says Install instead, that means the service is missing completely, so go ahead and install it. Let the process finish, then close the installer and try launching the game again. If the setup file is not in the folder at all, don't panic. That usually means Steam did not download the Easy Anti-Cheat component properly. In that case, go back to Steam, right-click the game in your library and choose Properties. Then open Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically re-download any missing or corrupted files, including the Easy Anti-Cheat files if they were not installed correctly. Once the verification is complete, go back to the game folder and check again for the Easy Anti-Cheat setup file. If it appears, run it as administrator and repair the service just like before. This step fixes the issue for a lot of players, especially after a fresh install, a game update, or a corrupted download. Now there's one more fix you should try if the service is already installed but still not working. Press Windows key +R to open the run box, type services.msc and press enter. This opens the Windows Services panel. Scroll through the list and find Easy Anti-Cheat. Double-click it to open its settings. Here, change the startup type to automatic. If the service status says stopped, click Start to turn it on. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. This is important because even if Easy Anti-Cheat is installed, Windows may have disabled it or prevented it from starting automatically. Setting it to automatic helps make sure the service loads properly when the game starts. After that, restart your PC and launch the game again from Steam. In many cases, the error will be gone. If it still appears, repeat the Verify Files step one more time and make sure you ran the Easy Anti-Cheat installer as administrator. Those two steps solve the majority of installation problems. So to quickly recap, first, manually repair or install Easy Anti-Cheat from the game folder. Second, verify the game files in Steam if the installer is missing. Third, enable the Easy Anti-Cheat service in Windows Services and set it to automatic. Following these steps in order gives you the best chance of fixing the issue fast. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Steam and PC gaming fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.